the next thing that I want to do is I want to actually create another ticket, right? So let's do that and assign a completely different form to that. So ticket type, we will keep it free for now. Let's call this demo ticket. Ticket category, it's going to be public. I can change here it as well. I can make it private if I want. Available quantity, how many tickets I want to sell, maybe 100. When should the ticket start? Like when should people see this ticket available on the platform? Let's keep it from yesterday, that's June. When the time also I can set, so 12:01 a.m. It will be available till 9th. Again, 12:0. Okay, do I want to bring additional guests or not? So let's put this off for now. I don't want to bring additional guests. And other than that, ticket expiry message. When the tickets are sold out or the time for which I wanted to sell the ticket has expired, what message should be shown? Just right here. Thank you for your interest. We will get back soon. All right. So what I'll do is I'll just click on create and I have another public ticket available. Okay.